all you Phastek fans. Today we're going to be going over installing these 2010 to 2015 ZL1 style rock guard kits made by Phastek. If you're not an official Phastek fan, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become one. Our ZL1 style rock guard kit comes with the front and rear rock guards and all the clips you need for them. There's no drilling required. The special splash guard helps protect the front fender, and for those of you that like to do burnouts, it protects the rear bumper as well. The only tools you need for this install is a T20 bit and a ratchet. First, we're going to remove the T20 torque screws. Now that we have our T20 torque screws removed, we're going to go ahead and loosely put the screws in so we can position our ZL1 style rock guard. Now you want the texture side to be facing backwards. We're going to go ahead and put on the clips that came with your ZL1 style rock guard with the barb side facing inward. One at the top and one towards the middle, and then we're just going to tighten up our screws. Now we're ready to install the rock guards in the rear. Remove the 3 T20 torque screws so you can remove the fender liner from the bumper. Clean the mounting surface of the bumper so the double-sided tape has good contact. Next, install the rock guard behind the fender liner. Loosely reinstall the fender liner. Pull the double-sided tape to fit the liner into place. Tighten down the fender liner. Now you just have to repeat on the other side. Alright guys, now that I have these rock guards installed, I'm gonna go get them road tested. Thanks for watching.